Hi, my name is Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. A special welcome to you if you're visiting for the first time. This topic is a great topic. It will really help you. It's how to make your spouse stay with you. This is for women. I do another one for men. So the reason I separate them, first of all, is because men and women are different, which means your husband has different expectations than you have. So if your husband is leaving you or thinking of leaving you, or he's expressed a lot of, I'm not happy kind of thing with you, and you want him to stay, you love him, you need to understand him better as a man. And so I'm going to give you that kind of information that's going to help you with your spouse based on the fact that you're a woman and he's a man. Makes sense? It should. Let me make it clear. Marriage is meant to create happiness, love, and harmony. Doesn't matter what you thought of before, you write those down and you see if it doesn't make sense. You want to be happily married, so does he. You want to experience love, so does he. And you want harmony, so does he. It's not about what we do on the outside, it's what we do on the inside. And I often use the example of the animal trainers who train their dog that they put a piece of meat on their nose and they have trained their dog to not grab that meat. But it's the nature of the dog to eat the meat. And so as soon as the trainer backs off with the training, the dog reverts back to gotta have it, gotta have it, gotta have it. We are different. We're human beings. We can train our mind. We're the soul. We could train our mind to behave how we want it to behave. And we want it to behave in accordance with our true nature, which is love. It's all about love. And so what happens is, if we make changes on the outside only, then we're like that dog, and we're training the mind to behave a certain way. But if we become more loving, become more harmonious, then those attributes that your husband is looking for become natural to you, and it's not a struggle. You don't have to remember all the time, oh, I shouldn't do this. By the way, you should go to the website and download the 10 best do's and don'ts for marriage. Those will really help you. But getting back to this, you want to become, I'm going to cut to the chase, you want to become the woman who he fell in love with. Are you that woman now? Are you supportive? Are you complimentary? Do you love him unconditionally like you promised him? Or have you drifted into this mundane reactive behavior? We have a course for women, we have a course for men too, and the basis of it is how to control the mind so that we as individuals can do what we should have been taught as children. We learn how to master our minds, master our mouth, and open our heart. If all the people, and we work with thousands of people every year who come to us, they want help with their marriage, they want the course for women or the course for men. The biggest problem that women have, even though women say, well, I'm very emotionally there, but we're not talking about emotion. We're talking about opening your heart. If you want your husband to stay with you, it's very simple. It's very doable. You need help, you need guidance, but it's very doable. Think of it this way. Am I being loving? Are my thoughts loving? Or are they selfish? Are they reactive? If they're reactive, if they're self-centered, just change the thought. We have that power. People think you don't, but you do. But that's where it begins. You change that thought into a loving thought. You change your behaviors into loving behaviors. You only have 3 kinds of behaviors. You have what you think, what you say, and what you do. That's it. That's how simple this is. So I'm not going to give you a bunch of things to do or not do, say or don't say, because I want you to be successful. To be successful means change yourself. It works. It truly, truly works. You could look at our reviews, because this is all we do. We're not Western psychology. When we train people to be marriage foundation, marriage counselors, they learn a whole different way. They learn all about marriage. They learn all about how to control ourselves, how to change ourselves, how to become a saintly human being. Everybody wants to be with a saint. Everyone wants to be with someone who's filled with joy, filled with love, and that's what your husband wants too. So please like this video. Please share this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Please give your husband all the love that he desires and deserves. And visit us again. My name is Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation, and I do appreciate you. I do care for you. We all do here. We want your marriage to be a success, and that means where you're floating in joy, floating in love. God bless you. Visit again and take care.